Po ang name?
Ako pala si Kuya Jepoy.
What is your favorite worship song?
Sa akin, favorite song ko, yung Tagalog siya, Pupurihin Ka sa Awit.
Dahil dyan, kuya, pwede bang pasample ng
talaga?
worship song mo?
Sige. Doon lang ako sa bandang chorus, yan. Pupurihin ka sa awit, itataas ang aking tinig, itatanghal sa buhay ko, tanging ikaw, O Diyos, higit pa sa kalangitan, ang iyong kalwalhatian, kadakilan mo hindi mapapantayan. Yun lang.
No, taray! Thank you! Ay, kuya, name?
Ako si Paul.
What is your favorite worship song?
Favorite worship song ko is The Heart of Worship.
Pwede bang pasample, Kuya Paul?
Siyempre, sige. Okay, I'm sorry, Lord, for the things I've made it when it's all about you, Jesus.
Wow! Thank you! Hi, anong name mo?
Renz Eric Sanchez po.
Ano yung favorite worship song mo?
Ano po? Nothing is impossible.
Pwede bang pasample ng onti lang, nakanta lang? Ready ka na ba?
Ready na po. Okay. I can do anything. I can do anything, you know.
Yan, thank you! Name?
Joy,
What is your favorite worship song?
goodness of God.
Dahil dyan, pwede bang pasample, ate?
Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Your goodness is running after.
Yan, thank you! Hi, anong name mo?
Princess,
Ano ang favorite worship song mo?
I am free.
Sample naman ng I Am Free mo dyan. Ready ka na ba?
Yes! I am free to run. I am free to run.
Yan, thank you! Ano ang name mo, ate?
Isa po.
Ano ang favorite worship song mo?
Yung ano po, Here I Am to Worship.
Pwede bang pasample ng Here I Am to Worship mo dyan?
Here I am to worship. Here I am to bow down. Here I am to say that you're my God. You're altogether lovely, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me.
Ay, wow,